channel. Today let's make some yummy and crispy aloo parathas. I use a mix of wheat flour and all-purpose flour. Then I add some salt, cumin and oil. Let's mix dry ingredients first and then start adding water little by little. I'm using my Ninja blender to make the dough. This specific blender comes with a dough attachment. Now the dough is ready and I used my instant pot to boil the potatoes. Now I'm mashing it with a masher. I take out a little bit of potatoes for my girls as they don't eat spicy. Now let's chop onions, green chilies, cilantro and mint. For spices you will need salt, red pepper, cumin and coriander powder. I also like to add a little bit of chaat masala in it. Now add all the vegetables and start mashing it one more time so that everything blends together nicely. At the end I like to add cheese in it, like lots of cheese, and mix it one more time. I like to make the dough first because dough needs to rest for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to roll the dough. Gently apply the pressure and start rolling it into a round shape. Now add the potato batter in the center and we will close it one more time to make aloo parathas. People also use layer method to make aloo parathas, but this is my way of doing it. And if you try this method and like it, please make sure you comment here and let me know. When rolling the dough this time, make sure you don't apply too much pressure, otherwise the batter will come out. Now the paratha is ready. Heat up the pan and start adding ghee. Now put the paratha in and let it cook for about 1 minute on each side and then gently flip it. You have to be very careful, otherwise it will break. Now I will add a little bit more ghee and flip it one more time. Make sure it's cooked properly. And now it's ready. You can serve it with raita, chutney, achar. If you like the recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.